Willow Voice tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Willow Voice. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Willow Voice, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Willow Voice, it is an AI-powered voice dictation and productivity platform designed to help users create written content faster by converting speech into polished text. Available on Mac, Windows, and iPhone, Willow goes beyond traditional speech on text tools by automatically correcting grammar, adding punctuation, removing filler words, and even adapting the output to the user writing style. And also the platform supports over 100 languages and includes features such as custom vocabulary learning, smart formatting, voice shortcuts, and context-aware transcription for emails, documents, and messaging application and AI tools. And here are some of the plans that they offer for it. Each plan with the corresponding prices and also available features for it. Now after downloading the application for free of Willow Voice, it will automatically show you in here that after opening, this is basically what it looks like. All you need to do is simply answer the question, how will you use Willow in here, such as prompting AI, communication, and writing. I'm going to select here this one, or you could also select more. Upon clicking the next button, it will ask you, how did you hear about Willow? So I'm just going to simply select here this Google as an example, or you could also select other kind of website in here. Moving on under your privacy and your control, I'm going to choose here help improve Willow Voice. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button and it will ask you in here to enable the core features, which is if Willow can now hear you. We can click the next button and we can now start testing our microphone. So you'd have an option here to choose to change the microphone or proceed to the next button, since we're going to use the microphone to try to test our microphone in here, or diction test. From here, all we need to do is simply click the control key on our keyboard and window key to start recording, and it will show you in here an option below or an icon indicating that you can now start recording or speak to our microphone. But you'd also an option to choose to change hotkey in here if you want to. Once done, you can click the next button to proceed. So now all we need to do is simply select the language that we speak. We have here a variety of options to choose from. So I'm just going to choose the English one and click the next button. And now try dictating the message you speak in here. So again, just click Control and also the window key in your keyboard, and you should be able to see an icon below. Then try to speak on your mic and it will show in here that it has now been enter what I speak or what I said. Just click the next button here to proceed. And once done, you could also start whispering by clicking again the control key and window key on your keyboard. And again, just do the same process of speaking to your microphone and it will automatically be able to dictate in here. And click the next button to proceed or skip one. Now another option in here is Willow Scribe, which is dictation type your words exactly. So you can click the next button to proceed in here. Now the next thing that we need to do is to simply click the shift key and Windows key to our scribe shortcut. So once done, the next thing that we need to do in here is simply skip this part or click the next button to proceed. Then it will show you in here an option that you can start entering here or naming your company, but I'm going to simply skip this part. You can also invite your friends by entering their email address or simply copying here the invitation link. Now from here, it will now show you that this is basically the homepage of Willow. On the left side panel, we have here an option to choose either this home, dictionary, style matching, collaboration, team members, and many more. Now under this homepage, it will show you in here the history of the dictated words that we just did earlier. It will show you also the time save and many more. Under the dictionary, from here you can start adding your own personal dictionary by clicking a term or start adding here the messaging or the misspelling and even the correction for it. So basically, this dictionary feature allows user to create and maintain a custom vocabulary so that AI can accurately recognize the names, acronyms, technical terms, product names, industry jargon, and other specialized words during voice dictation. Now, aside from that, they also have here this style matching option, in which is designed to make dictated text sound like it was written by the user rather than generated by the speech to text system, by analyzing the user writing patterns, tone, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Willow can automatically rewrite and refines transcribed speech to match the user preferred communication style. So you can simply choose here either a casual messages. We can choose either formal, casual, extremely casual, and even the writing length in here. We also have here an option to choose for work messages. You can choose the same thing of option of tone and even the writing length. So basically this helps to create more natural, professional, and consistent written content while reducing the need for manual editing. And style matching is particularly useful for emails, reports, messages, and other business communications where maintaining a specific tone and writing voice is important. So basically all you need to do is simply select here the right tone for you. Since the tone feature is important, it allows user to adjust the emotional and professional style of the written communication to suit different audiences and situations. Now aside from that, they also have here offer this collaboration option, in which it enables team to work together more effectively by sharing resources such as custom dictionaries, writing style, templates, and communication preferences. All we need to do is simply invite the team members in here to proceed, such as adding their email address or even sending the link. So basically, the purpose is to ensure consistency in language, terminology, and document quality across an organization while improving teamwork and productivity. And you will be able to see all of the team under the team members in here, the list of members, and even the prepared plan in here. Moving on, by clicking the settings option on the top right corner, you have an option to integrate the Slack, cursor, and many more, or other kind of application you want to sign in, and navigate your personalization in here to customize also, such as to customize the data and privacy in here, and even the system, the general settings that you can start customize also, and even this system option, in which by clicking on it, it will show you that we can start turning on the interaction sound, auto dock audio, mute all notifications, and many more. While under the general settings, we have here an option to change the shortcuts, the language detection, the microphone, and any other options that might help us in navigating this Willow Voice, in which it is important because it helps user create written content more quickly and accurately through AI-powered voice dictation. Instead of spending time typing, user can speak naturally and have their words automatically converted into polished text with correct grammar, punctuation, and formatting. And also, the platform enhances productivity, reduces repetitive typing, minimizes transcription errors, and adapts to individual writing styles. And overall, that is just basically how you can start using Willow Voice. Thank you.